Okay, now the last part, set less than operation. Okay, this is last but not the least in any sense. We need it in our ALU for different reason. So what we can do, we can use our adder subtractor circuit to determine if my result, if A is less than B or not. What we do basically, we perform a subtraction operation between A and B. Let's say I want to check if A is less than B or not. That's the SLT circuit. We just use the adder subtractor circuit, configure it as in subtraction, and we look at the result. Okay, so this result is nothing but your result bit 32nd bit, result 31, right? And then padded up with 31 zeros, so make a 32 bit. So result from this whole circuit is basically 0 or 1, whether A less than B or not. Now A minus B, if A is less than B, it will give a negative number. Otherwise it will be a non-negative, like 0 or positive. So that means negative number or not, we can determine by simply by the results MSB. If it is 1, it becomes a negative number. If it is 0, it's not a negative number. And that we can reflect as my result. Just take the last MSB of the result, last bit of the MSB, and then pad with 31 more 0. That becomes your 32-bit result of 0 or 1. That's your set less than circuit in your ALU. So that's all for this lecture. If you have any questions, please send me through email or ask me in class.